Hello and welcome to another video tutorial on this channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Canva. In case you don't understand what Canva is simply an online graphic tool that helps you place text on image, create presentation, create video, edit videos and a lot more. So in this video I'm going to be introducing you fully to Canva with your smartphone, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you how to design some social media simple flyer with Canva, right? So without wasting much of our time, let's jump into the main video. Okay, welcome back to the channel. Here in Canva we have logged into our Canva. So in case you don't have Canva application, I will drop a link. The link is in the description where you can download Canva application, and also you can use Canva online with just a search of Canva from your browser, right? So once you search from your browser, it's going to take you here, right? So now let's look at what Canva has. Right here, if you get here, you will see there are a lot of features here. These are categories, the categories that are in Canva that helps you navigate to different parts of Canva features, right? We have here the docs, we have here for you. This for you is simply the interface where you can quickly select a template from here, pick a template and then do something with it, right? So we have here docs where you can create your docs. Then we have here whiteboards where you can create your whiteboard. Social media, if you click on it, it's going to take you to Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn and other social media, and it's going to bring in templates that you can choose to do something with it, right? So if I click on whiteboard, the same thing is going to take me to whiteboard, brainstorm and all that whiteboard programs. So if I click on presentation, it's going to take me to different presentation where I can both videos and an image where I can work with, right? So if I click on website, the same is going to happen. It's going to take me to different templates that I can use to edit a beautiful website, right? So, and we have another key here, this plus icon. This plus icon is where you can create a new design from. Once you click on the plus icon, it's going to take you to customize size, and you can also search from here for example, you want to search for Instagram posts, right? So you can also search from here and it brings to you, say, Instagram post, square, portrait, video, Instagram, right? So you can select from here and work with it, right? So you can always go back to the home page. You can always go back and note another important features here. Another important features here is that Canvas is one application that saves memory very well. For example, if you were doing a particular design and your phone happened to switch off, or something just happened that you have to go off of that design, Canva will automatically save it for you. So you just come to recent here, right? Come to recent and look for the recent programs, recent designs you have made, recent retouch you have done. So you can click on see all and it bring it out for you, all the things you have done so far with it, right? So the another thing we are going to look at here is templates. Templates are all these that are showing on the screen right now. So if you click on it, you edit it and make use of it. So let's look at menu. What menu is for, right? So menu is menu where you can add your account, edit your account, right? You can also do this smart mockup. Here is smart mockup. that you can work with, right? And they have product photo where you can edit product maybe you are selling cosmetic and you have a particular product you want to market, right? You want to put it online. You can come here, upload the photo of the product to Canva and then edit it with it, and it will just look as nice as it should be, right? So we have here settings. Okay, so let's go back to home. Okay, now let's click on this plus icon and edit a simple flyer, right? So I'm going to click on custom. In custom, I'm going to input my own size. Okay, in width I'm going to input 1280 and here 1280 also. So here it's telling me to search for template, right? What we are going to design here is a simple restaurant flyer, a burger flyer, right? So you know burger flyer mostly carries red background, so I'm going to go to this search and search for red background, right? Red background. So I'm going to click on search. Okay, it was from design. Okay, right. Let me go to elements. Click on elements here. Elements, right? Elements. Click on element. Then from elements, I'm going to search for red background here, right? Red background already is out here. So we are seeing them, right? So I think I will use this other one. Let me click on it, right? And I will resize it. Okay, that is good. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring in a burger. Because we are going to just design a burger flyer for restaurants, right? So I'm going to search for burger, right? Searching for burger. Going to look for a nice and beautiful one to use. Okay, so I'm going to use this, right? I'm going to use this. I think this is fine, right? This is fine. So I'm going to bring in a text. Click on the plus icon, then go to text right here. Then once you get to text, you can search for text that you want to use, right? So I think I'm going to use this first one right here. I'm going to use it. Click on it. So once you click on it, you can edit it, right? I'm going to write the burger. Okay, so I'm reducing the size. I think the size is okay now. So I'm going to push this up a little. So that is fine already. It's looking fine already. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the plus icon again, and then click on add text box, right? So I'm going to add a text box, and then I'm going to edit it and write there, visit us at www. Just going to write burger.com.org, right? So I'm going to reduce the size and make it just one long sentence, right? Take it down. So I'm going to change the font. Click on it, look for a beautiful font to use. I'm going to change the font. So I think I like this, so I'm going to use that, right? So that is that. So it's looking fine already, right? So I'm going to add something. I'm going to go to elements. Let me go to elements and add something, right? So let me add pepper. Okay, I think I'm going to use this. I'm going to resize it. Right, I'm going to resize it and then turn it, right, something like this, and then I'm going to duplicate it, bring it right here. I'm going to bring it right here and size it, resize it to be a little bit small. So I'm going to, let me make use of this notch. Okay. So guys, we are done with our flyer. So we are done with our flyer. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to do so before I serve this. Okay, before I serve this. So one more thing, let me just tell you this one more thing. If you are interested in getting Canva Pro, check the link in the description, okay, and contact me. I'm going to give it to you, right? So if you are interested in getting Canva Pro, right, you can see it was Canva Pro I used throughout, right? So note this thing before I serve this flyer, that Canva doesn't require a special skill before you can navigate to them. You can make good use of it, right? So it's just for you to understand the features. Once you understand the features, even if you are a CEO and you want to just do a simple art on social media, you don't need a special skill to start using Canva to just create a flyer to do your art. You can just come to Canva and start using it. But before you use it, note that you have to understand the features. That is the only thing. So for you to fully understand the features, follow me through on this channel, and I'm going to be showing you how to make good use of Canva. So see you in our next video.